Washed this Audi Q7 just 10 days ago, and it already looks like a crime scene. Want to know why? Because 90% of people wash their car wrong. I'm John, and this is John Car Care. Today I'm breaking down 5 mistakes almost everyone makes when washing their car. If your paint's dull, your finish sucks, or your wheels stay dirty, this is for you. Mistake number 1, using dish soap. It's literally the fastest way to kill your paint. Want that showroom shine? Use real car soap, not something from under your sink. Look for pH-balanced foam soap made for cars. It won't strip your wax, it lifts dirt safely, and it won't dry out your trim. Once you've got the right foam soap, it's time to spray it on and let it do the work. And this is where most people mess up. They rinse it off right away. Don't. Let the foam dwell. That's how it lifts dirt. Mistake number 3, blasting your car with high pressure like it owes you money. Yeah, it gets the dirt off fast, but it might take your clear coat with it. More pressure doesn't mean more clean. It just means more damage. Stick to 1,500 psi and a 40-degree nozzle, and your paint will live to see another day. All right, let's talk about the sun, the silent paint killer. Soap dries faster. Water spots bake in. You're not washing your car, you're cooking it. Always wash in the shade or early morning. Sunshine is great, just not for car soap. Don't forget your wheels and tires. They're the dirtiest part of the car. Use a dedicated wheel cleaner and a soft brush, and always finish with tire dressing. Clean car, clean stance. And once your tires are clean, don't stop there. Hit them with some tire dressing. It protects the rubber and gives that deep, rich shine. Because clean wheels without shine, that's like wearing sneakers without laces. First, we foam the whole car. That's to soften the dirt, loosen the grime, and prep the surface. Then we focus on the dirtiest part, the wheels and tires. Once that's done, we go back in with a second foam, cleaner, more precise, for the real wash. And now, the final mistake. It seems harmless, but it ruins everything you just did. Drying your car with the wrong towel. Old rags, bath towels, t-shirts. They trap dirt, scratch the paint, and leave swirl marks all over your finish. You didn't just foam twice to end up with scratches. Use microfiber, always. All right, let's see what all that work actually did. From dusty and dull to clean, crisp, and camera ready. That's the difference when you do it right. So there you have it. 5 mistakes to avoid if you actually care about your paint. Fix them, and your car will thank you every time you walk up to it. I'm John. This is John Car Care. See you next detail.